Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website which just take 84 rupees for the subscription, and it actually provide unlimited access to all the best AI models. This is actually the website Use AI. If you directly type this on Google, I'm personally using it for past 2 months, and it's a very insane website, use.ai, and it's actually a playground section where it contains all the best AI models. GPT-5. It also has Claude, Opus, Qwen 3, OpenAI, GPT. It has all the models. So essentially, it has Chat GPT and Claude in the same website. So use.ai. This is a website. You can see Claude models. All the models are there. Grok is also there. So Gemini, Deepseek, all the models are present inside the single website. So how to get started? You can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. So it has a playground section. You can actually chat, generate images, videos, everything you can do. And it just needs a single subscription, 84 rupees it's called as. And you can just see right here. So you can also get a 7-day free trial as well. 7-day full access for just 84 rupees. You can see that. So it's a really insane website. You will get access to Claude, Sonnet, Opus, access to Chat GPT, OpenAI, Deepseek latest models, Gemini as well, generate images, videos, everything. You can also create coding applications, AI agents as well. It also has AI search engine. You can even analyze PDF docs, images as well. So you can get started directly for free as well. Inside the chat playground section right here, you specify what sort of automatically you can change the model from here. You can select any model of your choice. So right here you specify what sort of thing you want to generate. So you can do this for completely free as well. So it does provide you free access as well. If you don't want to use the subscription, you can use this website for completely free. So we simply tell build a image to PDF application. So it's generating the response for you. So it is asking you, would you like to drop? So yeah, so you do need to upgrade. I'm using it for past 2 months. It's a really safe website, use.ai. It has all the AI models for just 84 rupees subscription. You will get full access to premium AI models, image generation, video generation, file analysis, everything for just 84 rupees. 7 day. You can start a free trial as well. Simply add, you can pay using your credit or debit card, or also pay using Google Pay as well. So it's a really insane website. Already 12,000 people are already using the website. So it's a really insane website. Also, you can copy the chat, copy to clipboard. You can even download the chat as well by clicking the download button. So everything will be exported to a PDF file. So whatever it's generated into a PDF file. So you can easily store it in a PDF file for later access. So you can also create projects, chats, files, instructions, everything. You also have the ability to generate apps if you want to generate images. So a single subscription is there, just 84 rupees, and you will get access to all the AI models in the single website in single. So definitely check this out.